Okay, so just a little help for Chapter 7 as we take a look at these 6 different problems you've got to work on. Just want to give you some tips on each one of these. The mean and the standard deviation should be pretty easy. Again, these are uniform distribution questions, and so the formulas are in the book, especially easy for the first 2. And then finally, as you look at for C and D in here, you'll be using the area formula that we looked at via the text and the PowerPoint. That formula is, in this situation, right, 1 over the difference between, right, so the maximum and the minimum, and then you're going to multiply that times the length of this uniform distribution that you're working with, right? So whatever it is that you're looking at. So in this situation, if you're going to look at finding less than 12 ounces, you're going to go 12 minus the minimum. So 12.0 minus 11.96 would be the base that you're looking at in this situation. So that should be pretty helpful. And then the last part of this, what are the chances of you finding a can and finding it has more than 11 ounces? In this situation, the cans fall from 11.96 to 12.05, and so there's no chance that you're going to get. There's every chance that you're going to get between these two, and so right, the odds or the probability would be 1.0. Okay. All right, moving to sheet 2. Really, this is a very similar kind of situation, looking at the mean and the standard deviation, and then you're going to use that formula again to figure this out. And the information that I provided to you in sheet 1 should be the same help you need with sheet 2. So I'm not going to spend a lot of time there. Please remember that this 10% up here means nothing in terms of how you're going about figuring out this problem, right? There are 10s here twice. This is the information you need. This 4 minutes to 10 minutes. The 10% up here is nothing other than backstory. Number 3. Okay, so you have to figure out z values on this. I've copied and pasted the table from the back of the book. This is table B3 for normal distributions that's found in the back of the textbook. It's here as well. And that information, you're going to have to figure out z values based on the mean and the standard deviation, and then you can use this to calculate probabilities. You'll have to add some, subtract some, right, and figure those kind of things out, just like the examples shown in class. And this is going to be true of both sheet 3 and sheet 4. These are both normal distributions, and so you're going to use the same type of things, calculating z values and finding probabilities in the table. Then here in 6-1, this sheet down here, again, this is back from chapter 6. This is a binomial distribution, right? Either customers default on their credit cards or they don't. And so you'll use formula 6-3 in your book to find the answers to these questions. And then finally in 6-2, this is a Poisson distribution, and you'll use formula 6-6 in your text to work on these. Okay, so really it's just a matter of following the formulas, plugging in the values, and things should work out all right. I hope this was helpful, and I will make sure that this is readable. Thanks.